got all kinds of legs, don't it?
It's got 8. What about a seahorse? What does a seahorse look like? Show Daddy what a seahorse looks like. Show Daddy.
Do the jellyfish again.
How does the jellyfish go?
Show him. Look at him. Show him how a jellyfish goes. Look at him. Show him how a jellyfish goes. I love you.
There's a jelly.
What about a starfish?
This is starfish.
What about a dolphin?
She's a sight. Lily.
How does an owl go? What's an owl do?
Say hoo hoo. Say hoo hoo.
What about a cow?
Ooh.
Mm.
What's a rooster do? There you go, a crow. Yep. Oh boy, that's a good one.
How does a duck go?
Quack, 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 quack.
What about a bunny rabbit? What about a scary snake? Oh, I don't like that. What about a turtle?
They're slow, ain't they, honey? Yeah.
What about a bird?
They do that, Mama. They fly.
What about a fish? They swim in the water. How's a fish go?
I'm a duck. Quack, 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 quack. A dolphin.
What about a whale?
I like a
What a whale
rooster.
do?
I like a rooster. Can you do a rooster?
No.
Crow like a rooster.
No.
Okay.
You do kind of sound like a dolphin. What about a seahorse?
I love that face.
What about an octopus? What about starfish? What about Daddy? What's Daddy do?
What does Mommy do?
Oh, nobody said no. That's another galaxy. Yeah.
How does baby dancing group go? How does dancing baby group go? That's how he does, isn't it?
It doesn't do.
How does Molly go?
How's a kitty cat go?
Meow.
That's right.
Oh man, you're a sight, Billy.
I'm a dog.
You're a dog. You're a dog. How's a dog go? Bark like a dog.
Everybody around. What does let's do that.
Let's do that.